Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. I wanted to share my view, my concerns concerning the company called Aquabounty. The stock price has been pretty low as of recently, like it's at its 52-week low if I'm not mistaken. It might even drop lower, go to $1 per share, which is pretty concerning. If you're thinking about maybe a reverse split that they might do, or maybe if they want to dilute some more shares, because they have diluted shares in the past when they needed money. For example, when they needed the money to get the factory up and running in Ohio, or basically it's not even running right now, it's still being built. It's maybe projected to end like next year, end of next year, but in construction you never know what will happen, so you really can't say when it will be finalized, the construction. But let's look at it this way: Aquabounty isn't profitable yet. They're in huge losses, I would say. But is this company good for the future? Well, looking at what they are doing, guys, I'd say it's still a good future company. Like, the genetically modified eggs alone can be a huge potential that will bring a lot of money in for the company. Like, if they can license it, make some kind of license agreement with other countries, developing countries, where they need fish, where they need protein, I believe it's going to happen one of the days. We're going to have some kind of news coming up, although we haven't had anything significant as of now, but the company is pretty promising, we can give it that. Revenue wise, it doesn't do much, guys. It's around like 3 million if I'm not mistaken. Let me just look it up for a second. Yeah, the revenue is around $3 million, and the market cap is around hovering around 70 to 80 million dollars, guys, which is pretty sad when you're looking at it this way. But we got to understand that these are types of companies that are in their growth phase. Like right now, it's the first phase, I would say, where they are building their infrastructure. And while they are building their infrastructure, people like me and you, the investors, we have to be patient, guys, because we are buying right now shares, and we are waiting, guys, because the day will come when it will bounce right over the $5, over the $10 mark, guys, because Aquabounty has a lot of potential, guys, and we all know that the future is very bad when we are looking at the sea world, the food that we're getting from the sea. You can't even fish. Some types of fish are even extinct right now. So what Aquabounty is doing right now with their genetically modified salmon, guys, is just something new. There aren't many companies doing what they are doing right now, and I believe that they are working on other fish too right now. So it's not only focused on salmon anymore, it's coming. Other fish species are coming up, guys, and Aquabounty as a whole has been doing pretty good in developing the fish right now, guys. The whole company is set up for success. Right now, when we look at it from a short-term perspective, it does look pretty bad. It does look grim, especially when we're looking at the cost for the manufacturing facility in Ohio. But we got to look at it this way: if the facility doesn't come, the future of Aquabounty won't be as bright, guys. So we need the facility. So the money is pretty much needed. And I'm actually happy that back in the day, like 2 years ago, 1.5, 2 years ago, the stock price shot up to like $12. It was something like that. So because of that, they were able to dilute some shares to get the money for the facility. So in the long term, looking at it, they have the money. They have the money to build the facility. They have the money to pay the people that are working at Aquabounty. They got around 100 workers. So it's pretty good. Now look at it this way: if you buy the shares right now at around $1, and you're going to be looking at it in 5 years when it's at least $4 to $5, what are you going to tell yourself? You're going to say, I did a great deal, guys. But right now it's pretty scary. I understand it. It's pretty scary for me to invest more than I've already been investing into the company, because the future isn't sure. You're not sure. It's not certain, like what you're going to get in the future. It might go bankrupt. It's possible that Aquabounty can go bankrupt, but I doubt it, because when I look at the investors, I see a lot of millionaire investors, hedge funds, that are truly believing in Aquabounty, guys. So why shouldn't I believe in Aquabounty? Well, there are a lot of companies that go bankrupt that have a lot of billionaire, millionaire investors, yeah, but Aquabounty is a different type of company, guys, because Aquabounty is what they are basically doing is they are making sure the future of food is secure. It's not only for the US, for Canada, for South America, for Europe, it's basically for the whole world. So if a company like Aquabounty does succeed, then a price tag of $10 is pretty low. Like if the market cap right now is hovering around $70 million, then you should expect to get a couple of billion at least when we are talking about market cap, in terms of what kind of value this company can provide for the world, guys. You gotta look at it this way. What do people need? People will always need fish. Salmon prices are skyrocketing right now, especially because of the inflation right now throughout the world. Protein is needed, guys. You need the protein. It's basic stuff that you need to survive, to live, guys, for your muscles, for example. But when we're looking at Aquabounty, we can clearly see that the people working there are on a mission, guys, and their mission is in the long term. The company isn't here for 2 to 3 to 5 years, guys. When people were investing in Tesla back in the day, or in Amazon, or wherever it is, guys, they weren't looking at 2 to 5 years, guys. The people that truly stayed in the company for like 10 years, at least let's say 10 years, or 8 years, or 7 years, they are the ones that benefited at the end of the day. Because right now, a share price of around $1 for Aquabounty is pretty much a steal, if you're asking me, guys. It's really a steal for what the company is doing. And the company has a bright future. I mean, look at it this way. All these years you haven't invested in Aquabounty, or you didn't invest as much as you wanted. And right now it's hovering at $1. Like 5-6 years ago, it was at the same price point, guys. And the company is way further than 5-6 years ago, because right now they have the cash. They have the cash to build the company. The facility in Ohio. They have the cash to expand, to go to other countries, get licensing agreements, put money into R&D for other fish species. There's a lot coming out of Aquabounty, guys, and personally I believe in the future of it. Now, why I'm gonna be buying more Aquabounty, it's basically simple, because right now I only want to buy American companies. Since the future, I don't know what's going to happen in the future with Chinese companies, European companies, Russian companies, doesn't matter, guys. As a whole, I trust them less right now, because I really want to trust the American companies, because it gives me some more security. Maybe it's a false sense of security, who knows, but you don't know what's going to happen with China and the US and delisting and everything that's concerned with all those issues always, and fear mongering that's happening. So I want to bet on some good American companies that are here to stay, that want a good future, that want to expand, want to get bigger, and they are pretty much a micro cap company right now, and I see them succeeding in the near future, guys. So I'm gonna be buying more shares. Basically, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not going to go over 10K in Aquabounty, not for sure, because it's still a small company. Let's look at it this way. Everything can fail in life, even Aquabounty. But the fact that they are being very innovative and doing stuff that other companies aren't doing, it just intrigues me to learn more about the company, to want the company to succeed. And I know for a fact that there will be some kind of a billionaire pushing their money into the company soon, very soon, guys. Because when we're looking at it this way, the whole world, the whole stock market is down as of recently, guys. It's not only Aquabounty. It's just the trend that's happening with the S&P 500, with the Nasdaq, with the Dow. Everything is just going down. And I just truly believe in Aquabounty. It's something that's telling me it's the financials. They are pretty bad. I'm an honest guy. The financials are pretty bad. They have the money, but the money will be spent on a facility. But overall, the earnings are pretty low. The market cap is way too high for the earnings right now. I'd say a fair value as of now, if we're looking right now what the value is, I'd say around 90 cents to $1. So pretty overvalued right now, but I'd say it's a great price, because you gotta look at every company a different way. You can't evaluate every company with the same metrics that you're looking at, for example, like ExxonMobil, like an oil company. So guys, I hope you had something from the video. Hope you guys will share your thoughts, your views on the company, because I'm still going to be long and strong in Aquabounty, and I believe I'm gonna be at least another 5 years into the company, because once the facility is all ready and is going to be fully functioning, I believe some change is going to happen there, and I believe some kind of a Cathy Wood, some kind of an investment is coming up again. And I think between now and 5 years we are able to hit that $10 mark yet again, if not higher, guys. And looking at it even longer, like 5 to 10 years, I think we're gonna be around $15 to $20 for sure, because the company is so promising, and I hope it delivers, because nothing in life is certain, guys, for sure, but I hope they deliver, guys. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Please share your comments down below. I want to talk with you guys about the company. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao, ciao.